My name is Beth-Anne Hannigan. I work for the OSA team for Nathan Clark, and I mostly work with buyers. I've been doing it for a little over 3 years now. I service Rhode Island, Connecticut, and Massachusetts, and I'm working on my Vermont license. I primarily work with first-time home buyers from start to finish. You can ask me any questions that you want because I work 7 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. Monday through Sunday, so there's no surprises. My favorite part about my job is being able to help people solve their problems, get them into the home that they desire and they want. I fight hard for that. I get listing agents to send me their off-market properties, and I get the buyers into the homes that they feel the most comfortable at with the least amount of hassle. My life has improved because I've been able to have a quality life coming from the restaurant serving industry. If you want to get out of that service industry and you want to move to real estate, there's no better place to be than Nathan Clark. But you're not going to get the training that you get here that's going to be so beneficial for you in moving forward in your career.